in Kansas between mile markers 200 and 205. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Kansas, Johnson, Lynn, and Miami, and the following counties: in Missouri, Bates, and Cass. County in northeastern Kansas, south central Leavenworth County in northeastern Kansas, northern Johnson County, Kansas, southwestern Clay County, northwestern Jackson County, until 11:30 p.m. At 8:25 p.m., local law enforcement officials reported heavy rain.
I'm not sure Mike knows that he's not being heard.
Flash flooding is already occurring. Some locations that will experience flooding include Kansas City, Overland Park, Olathe, Independence, Shawnee, Lenexa, Leewood, Raytown, Liberty, Gladstone, Prairie Village, Merriam, Mission, Mars Springs, DeSoto, Edwardsville, North Kansas City, Fairway, Mission Hills,
so basically everybody?
This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Missouri between mile markers 0 and 12. Interstate 70 in Kansas between mile markers 410 and 423. Interstate 35 in Missouri between mile markers 0 and 13. Interstate 35 in Kansas between mile markers 223 and 235. Interstate 29 between mile markers 0 and 2. Interstate 635 between mile markers 0 and 9. Interstate 435 between mile markers 1 and 13, and between mile markers 52 and 65. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
So, I've been living in Kansas City all my life. I'm used to this stuff. It doesn't really freak me out. I do want to show you guys what it is like, what it can be like during the spring in the Midwest. Kind of creepy, kind of freaky, but it is what it is. I've lived here this long all my life, and I haven't been hit by a tornado yet, so that's good. So yeah. Paul, look at Oak Grove.
Keep a close eye on that. Let me kind of recenter that.
Look at all the red in Oak Grove.
Wrong one. Closer to the Odessa area and see what we can see in terms of that circulation right there. And get in closer. Difficult to tell. Difficult to tell. There's circulation maybe on the southwest side of Odessa, or very close to Odessa. So I don't want you folks to let your guard down in Odessa quite yet. Certainly we can in the Bates City and Oak Grove area. It looks like there's some gusty winds back in that general vicinity. But that would be straight line winds coming out of the back of that cell, which is often happens. So if there's a circulation very, very close to Odessa, and moving, that thing's moving almost due east. It looks
it looks like it's a little bit of a right turn. Mike, let me bring you up to date as far as a couple of things go. We need to keep an eye on the folks down in Miami County, Lynn County in particular, Racine, down towards Lynn Valley.
Crazy. They got 2 meteorologists on this.
Down towards the Lynn Valley.
2 big ones, you know.
As a matter of fact, the spotter reported power flashes.
Because doesn't Joe usually work when Mike's not?
That would be down
Yeah.
towards Lynn County. So Lynn County.
Yeah. How'd you know? How'd you know, fam? How'd you know?
Not when they test
Yeah, that's what you're doing? For real?
Yo, we out here.
Yeah.
We out here, KC.
Pen and ink only.
I thought it was a photograph.
Yeah, so did I. All done in pen.
Until I looked at it really closely, it was. I
mean, that's detailed though. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like if you go up closer, you see the pin. Like,
yeah.
It's crazy. It's freaking insane.
Yeah.
Okay. It's real.
Oh. That's crazy.
Hey, there's a piano out there. Where?
I mean, it's
Right?
This is like the type of table I have no idea. Right? It's like a big old table. It's black wall.
We got all the wood, measure everything.
Yeah, it's tight. It's lit.
I know. So I think he used two. Yeah. Very expensive.
Yeah. Ooh, this is a cola.